Ayun yung tumawag ha, bahala kayo. O, lalakas yan, sabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Hindi pa kayo tumatawag eh. Oh, hindi sila tumatawag eh. Kala nila maano nila yan pre. Patay kayo pag kumalat yan. Kakalat yan, sabi ko sa iyo. At least yung hangin hindi rito. Pare kung yung hangin umaaboy yan, tumataboy sa atin dito. Pati kotse natin, sabi ko sa iyo. Oh, ayaw nilang tumawag talaga oh. Hindi nyo makakaya yan. Hindi nyo... Grabe, ayaw talagang tumawag ng fire truck. Bakit kaya?
But everything's all it's gonna get worse.
Yeah, it's getting worse, man. Why are they trying to put it out themselves? Look.
I heard the sirens.
Oh, now probably they called the siren. Yeah, I heard the sirens now for almost 7 minutes, bro.
But how did it burn like that, eh?
Cause it's all plastic,
Yeah, but
like the waste. Because of this, the industrial waste with the gas, gasoline, everything in there, bro.
maybe somebody fucking working there and threw a cigarette butt.
Yeah.
No, they are working there a while ago. Two of them.
How long that shit has been there?
Yeah,
Right?
look,
It's just spreading.
spreading. Actually, they thought they contain it.
Yeah, because you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna go underneath now.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what's gonna happen.
Oh shit.
Probably one
See,
of
the
those.
more there's,
You know,
you know what they're doing? They're
probably one
making
of
it
those
worse.
guys smoking.
Oh yeah, that's what happened. You're not gonna get a fire like that.
No. Like
It's
I said,
all
how long is that shit
flammable.
been there?
I think it's almost 7 minutes burning right now. Cause a while ago when I came in, it's already burning like that. Look at they're trying to put it out. How are you gonna put it out? Cause it's a lot of plastic, gas, and then the other guy on the other side, he's putting himself in danger. Look,
Yeah.
Oh,
what if this just like a gas tank right there is gonna explode, right? That's what I'm thought about. I'm not gonna come right
You
here.
know what? They're making it worse because they're moving it like this, so the air is getting in.
Yeah, the oxygen is making more. Because when it breathable, it's like a soft, soft. Everything is become. Yeah, if you put it like more sand, maybe dirt. Yeah.
Imagine the guy underneath, all the smoke's going right into it. You can't
Yeah,
figure it
look
out.
at this guy right now.
Stupid guy.
I don't know
The guy in
why.
the bottom, he shouldn't be there.
Yeah, it shouldn't be there, man. And then the fire truck, if they called a fire a while ago, it shouldn't be like that. Yeah, they're gonna be in trouble in the city. They're gonna be trouble in the
Oh,
city.
big time.
Good for us, because
Because you
all
know
the
what?
dust that we get eating every day
They're over you see the retaining wall? They're
Yeah.
way over it, eh?
Yeah.
They should be below.
should be low, right?
Yeah.
And would you imagine every time you park your car right there, it's a lot of dust because of this garbage dump.
Lucky Jay's
No,
not
that
here
guy
yet.
in the bottom is fucked up. Yeah, the smoke, he's inhaling all the smoke.
I don't know why he's trying to put it out. I don't understand. Look at bigger and bigger. He has
Even
to
said
jump
Lee
right
Mao.
now.
Huh?
Laugh my fucking ass off. They said, "Oh, you don't have to worry about the ADA."
Oh, see? Did you hear that? Like sounds of bomb sounds? Like a boom a little bit? Oh, he putting a lot of more. He actually trying to ignite the fire.
Need dirt.
Oh no, that's gonna be hard to. That's gonna be
Yeah,
hard.
why?
That's fucking
Exactly, why you do that?
Guys are dumbasses all of them.
Yeah. And look at the other guy. Look at the other guy on the other side. Why he do that? Why trying to put it out right now? He's still there.
And the fire's going down like this.
I know,
That
eh?
thing is running
Yeah.
on diesel. He's so stupid, eh?
I mean, yeah, exactly. And look at our truck right now. Can we save it?
You don't need those trucks, ADA.
Can we save it, bro? Oh, look at that, Rima. Did you see that?
What the hell's a concrete gonna do?
Look, it turned black
Exactly.
already.
I don't know why he tried.
Look at a guy with a big block.
Why the fire truck is still? Wow.
I think they're going inside. It would be easier here. With more
I keep
room.
hearing sirens thinking they're coming and
I
they don't
know.
go.
I hear the sirens, but it's. Did
I
you
think they went in that side.
did you feel the hit?
It's better here.
Yeah.
See that space down there?
Yeah. Did you feel the hit right now?
I don't know if you want to feel that heat. I'm smelling my coffee.
Ah.
I heard. I heated up in a mic. I said, "What the fuck? It smells so fucking."
Where's the fire truck?
Now they're going.
Wow. Wow, it's getting worse, man.
Now those guys are going.
Where did he go?
Oh, I have it's all going in the building.
Oh, they did go. Where they did go? I know, brother. Look, he's trying to ignite the fire.
Jeff, we should go grab Shaq's and park it right there. Huh?
Yeah, you feel the heat, right? I know, eh?
Oh yeah.
Timo, you want an 88?
Let's get Shaq's and put it there. He owes his lunch.
Shut up and shit over there.
Oh yeah.
Fire trucks are there. I'm up there tripping that. Fuck, man. That's not alright.
It's gonna take a while.
And look at the smoke.
It's just getting
Yes, that
It's
wind.
getting worse, actually.
the wind don't help either.
Yeah. But you know what? If the wind comes
But this guy's fucking stupid. Both of them. When they dig it up, all the air is going underneath it.
underneath the oxygen,
Give
yeah.
it more air.
Yeah, more air, yeah.
Making things worse.
Make things worse, yeah. And look at imagine if the winds goes to our building, then we have to go and go home.
Imagine if it's traffic there and then the train passed by.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Holy cow.
That would be fucked up, man.
Well, the train was coming when I was up there.
They should just stop.
Somebody must have been smoking over there.
Oh, we know who. Right from the
Feel the heat? Shit, eh? But
well,
the
someone's ass is grass small.
other guy, look at the other guy is still behind it.
He's so stupid. The guy in the
Now
bottom.
there was
Yeah,
all those-
it's still working out in there, bro.
Wasn't this big story?
He's working on the all the
Yeah, he's working behind it.
He's working. He's trying to contain it. Like,
No, how? How are you gonna contain it,
You
man?
can't even see it.
No.
So how the fuck are you gonna contain it?
Like I said, they should just stop.
Phoenix.
No, just leave them.
That's
So
not
if this one burns, they're gonna transfer it here and then they'll burn it. They're not gonna think.
Holy cow, where's the fire truck?
They're on that other side.
Went to other side? Why? They didn't even realize that we have a big space right here, right?
Hopefully the fire fucking hydrant is inside the 88.
Oh shit.
Somebody
Is that
gonna
like
be-
a dump or what is that?
Man, the dirt, like
We're gonna put dirt there and make it.
yeah,
It's too late now.
it's too late now.
Oh, they're gonna burn that fence beam, man. How fast that's going there now.
They better put that fucking little fence truck.
Where's the?
Thing.
Oh, that way.
Honestly, where's the fire truck, bro?
Look how fast that thing went there. That's what I said, you're gonna just give up, man. You can't do anything now. If I were them, I would have fucking taken those shit on that side and dump it on top.
that heat over here.
Yeah, you can feel the heat right now, right?
Those trucks are gonna melt over there.
It's definitely. Man, what's wrong? What's wrong? Where's the fire truck, man? Ito guys, nasusunog yung garbage ng kapitbahay namin. Sobrang lakas, napakainit dito. Ano kasi to, recycling depot, recycling campsite. Lahat ng nire-recycle dito dinalagay. Kaya nasusunog. Napakadami nito napakaano nito mga plastic garbage. Kaya napakalakas ng sunog, napakalakas ng liyak. Wala pa yung fire truck. Hindi namin alam kung saan nagpunta. Ayan guys, na ano na yung sunog. Dumating yung fire truck. Konti na yung sunog. Kanina guys, ang lakas niyan Pero may mga firemen pa doon, no? Sa taas. Ang lakas kanina niyan guys. Ayan, it's already contained it. They contain the fire guys. Ayan yung magigiting nating mga firemen. Is there anybody hurt or no? Everybody okay? That, yeah, too much, man. I don't know why they
I think they catch it before because
otherwise gonna
if they go, that whole back area goes up.
yeah, and it's gonna go spread right here. And the good thing, the wind today is not blowing towards our building. And would you imagine every day? Did you notice?
What's 75th Street?
Yeah, no, I went actually on the 75th Street and I saw it backed up right now up to Argyle. No, Argyle. Not Argyle. What's the other one? Rope Road.
Yeah.
Up to Rope Road, and what I did, I turned back and U-turn and go back on the other side on 50th Street. Otherwise, I'm still there right now. Look at the smoke.
You know, when I was coming up, I thought it was a train crash or something.
On the other side.
Well,
On the
so you
75th,
know the train
yeah,
passed
yeah,
here, so I
yeah.
thought it was a train.
Yeah. And it's really dark in there in 75th Street. Oh yeah. Look at Jai. We're reporting right now.
There's some way down over there.
You came from downtown, right? Yeah, I see it too. Yeah, I see it too, all the smoke and everything. Oh shit, I said. No, they are digging or are excavating right now a while ago.
Yeah.
Probably, I don't know how the fire started. It could be them, right? Like digging the dirt and everything.
I wonder who this is going to get built to.
Hey?
Who this is going to get built to.
I think it's them, man, right? It's not us, right? It's crazy, way crazy, bro. Look at the smoke, man. And I don't think the city will let them do that like continuously. It's like it's a fire risk actually. It's it's dangerous to the neighbors, to the neighborhoods, because the garbage dump is not supposed to be like this one, isn't it? They should be on outskirts, right? No building around or surround the dump site. Ayan pa guys, sa taas mayroon pa doon, may tao pa doon. Dami talaga, hanggang kanina pa binobomba ng tubig yan, dami ng tubig na kapal pa rin ang usok. Ayan, may tao pa doon sa kabila. Ayun, may tao pa doon sa kabila. Ayan, kanina pa may nagsisircle around the news siguro. News outlet. Ay, hindi nyo makita guys eh. Helicopters. Alam ko sa yan eh. Sa news. Ayun pala. Ayan, mga CTV news siguro. Kaya kanina pa yan ikot ng ikot eh. Yan, konti na guys yung fire. Wala nang, buti walang nasaktan. That's a good thing. Ciao guys. Guys, na put out na yung na-contain na yung sunog. Wala na, andito yung magigiting na fire truck ng Edmonton Fire Rescue. Ayan guys, ang magandang balita guys, walang nasunog pang ibang building, yung talagang dump site lang ang nasunog. Marami nagsasabi nga na ang dump site na ito is not advisable na handito sa mga neighborhood or sa mga industrial area. Ayan guys, walang nasunog, walang nadamay, buti na lang. Yan, Edmonton na Fire Rescue nandito. Alright guys, ciao.